Hi everybody, my apologies for being late again with this video, but hopefully this will just be available as a resource for you to check things out, and we'll talk about it a little bit at our lesson tomorrow. Last week or last time we tackled some new chords and put some chords together in a structure that will enable us to be able to play some songs. So the chords that we took a look at were the G chord. And we looked at an E minor chord. Remember, there's several ways to play an E minor, those two fingers, or those two fingers. I sort of default to the middle two. A C chord, second string, fourth string, fifth string, playing only from the fifth string. But if you want to go to a next stage, make this finger go up to the E and drop your pinky in there. Now we can play all of the strings and it sounds very full, which is great. So we have G, E minor, C, whichever way you want to play it, and then a D. An important chord to add to our collection is the chord that is a D, called a D7th chord, and it's sort of like the reverse image of this chord. So this is first string and third string and second string here. The D7 chord is second string there and these two again. So here's our D, here's our D7. And during the lesson, I'll explain why D7 is kind of useful and needed. So G, E minor, C, D7. Now you can put that group of chords any way round that you like. It's always going to work. This is the key of G. These are the component major chords, G, C, and D, and what's called the relative minor chord, which is the E minor. So for strumming, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And the only other thing to add to that is that we did the same structure of chords, but using a different group of chords to make it work. So this is in the key of C, and we will need C. That's our what we call our 1 chord. And then we can play E minor, A minor, I should say, I'm sorry. So C to A minor. So in that change there, we can anchor these two fingers, the first and second finger, second string, fourth string, and into the third for the E minor, up to the fifth on the third fret for the C. Okay, so we have C, we have A minor, we have our F chord, and don't forget while you're learning that F, kind of play it through, make sure that you've got a good position on there. Some people, the ones who want to go for the sky, of course, could play the F this way. If you really want to, it's a bit tricky. That's bar right across that first fret. It's maybe a little advanced, don't worry. And where else are we? Oh yeah, a G chord, which we already know. So C, A minor, F, and G. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm playing my G with the different way to shape it, just the same if I play it that way. Doesn't really matter. And finish on the one chord, the C. So we have G, E minor, C, and D. And we have the same structure in a different key, C, A minor, F, and G, and C. Okie dokie. That should do us for now, and we'll go another step when I see you next. Take care, everybody. Thanks.